Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about difference between micro and macroeconomics. So the first difference between micro and macro is it in which it studies. It studies in micro, it studies about an individual person or a firm. That means microeconomics studies about economic relationships or economic problems at the level of an individual, an individual firm, an individual household, or any individual consumer. And in macro, it studies the whole firm or an economy. Second point is price determination. In micro, price is decided as per the individual output, and in macro, the aggregate output and general price level are decided. Third point is the output. How output is decided? The output is decided as per in micro as per the individual firm, as well as in macro the output is decided as per the industry or whole firm. Fourth point is decision making. How people take decision in microeconomics. It is taken in small level, and in macroeconomics it is taken at larger level. So microeconomics is basically concerned with determination of output and price for an individual firm or an industry, and it studies microeconomics assumes that macro variables remain constant. It is assumed that aggregate output is given while we are studying determination of output and price of an individual firm or an industry. So in short, micro is completely concerned with the individual firm or a person. And if we talk about macro, then macro is concerned in with individual, not individual, but whole firm or an whole economy. So this is the proper difference between micro and macroeconomics. So the next topic that we are going to study is now types of economy. So now the next topic is types of economy. So there are three types of economy. First is market economy, second is centrally planned economy, and the third one is mixed economy. So what is market economy? Let's first understand that. Market economy are those economies in which economic activities are left to the market forces. That means the market has complete right to decide what, how, and for whom to produce. Like manufacturing industries have complete freedom to produce anything they want. So this is the definition of market economy. Next is centrally planned economy. What is centrally planned economy? It is just the opposite of free economy or market economy. In this, the decision is not taken by the market forces. Instead of that, the decision is taken by the central authority, that means the government. For example, railway is completely under the control of central government. So railway is an example of centrally planned economy. All the fares, everything is decided by the central government. The third one is mixed economy. In mixed economy, it is just the mixture of market and central planned economy. India is a mixed economy. If you are, as we all know that, the decisions are taken by both market and central economy. For example, banks are not completely market economy, but they are a mixture of market and central planned economy. Like banks take many decisions, but the control is under the RBI, and RBI is controlled by central government. So they do not have complete freedom to make it a market economy. So it is known as mixed economy. So these are the types of economy that we have studied.